Looking for the best ping pong paddle sets in 2026? Whether you're a beginner, casual family player, or competitive table tennis enthusiast, the right paddle set can totally change your game. In this video, we review the top-rated ping pong paddle kits for spin, speed, control, and durability. From budget-friendly sets to performance-focused rackets, we've tested them all to help you choose the perfect match for your play style. Let's get started. Number 3. The Glimness Ping Pong Paddle Set is a well-rounded, budget-friendly kit designed for fun, flexible play at home, school, or outdoors. With 4 paddles and 8 balls included, it's ideal for families or small groups who want to start playing right away without buying extras. Each racket features a 7-layer poplar wood blade paired with a 1.5mm inverted rubber surface and soft sponge. This setup delivers solid control and stable ball placement, which is especially helpful for beginners and casual players working on consistency. While the sponge isn't extremely thick, it still provides decent spin and a comfortable feel during rallies. The side banding helps protect the paddle edges from chips and wear, adding to overall durability. The flared ergonomic handles are smooth and comfortable, offering a secure grip even during longer matches. Players mention the paddles feel sturdy with a balanced weight, making them easy to maneuver for both defensive and light offensive play. A standout extra is the portable storage bag, which keeps everything organized and protected from dust and scratches. The paddles come with a thin protective film on the rubber that should be removed before use for better grip and performance. While advanced tournament players may want thicker sponge for maximum spin, this Glimness set shines as a reliable recreational kit that delivers control, durability, and convenience at a great value. Number 2. The JP Winlook 4-player ping pong paddle set is a fantastic all-in-one bundle for families, friends, and casual competitors who want quality gear without overspending. Designed for players of all skill levels, this set includes 4 paddles, 8 3-star balls, and a portable zip case, making it perfect for both indoor matches and outdoor fun. Each paddle is built from 5-layer crack-resistant wood, offering solid durability and a balanced feel. The flared ergonomic handles sit comfortably in the hand, giving players better grip and control during longer rallies. The medium soft sponge under the rubber provides a nice blend of bounce and spin, making it easier for beginners to learn control while still giving experienced players enough responsiveness for offensive shots. The included 40mm ABS 3-star balls perform reliably for recreational and competitive style games alike, maintaining good bounce and durability. Players also appreciate that the paddles arrive with a protective film over the rubber once removed. The surface has a slightly tacky feel that helps generate spin. While the storage case is convenient for travel, some users note it feels a bit lightweight compared to the paddles themselves. Still, the overall build quality of the racket stands out, with smooth handles and no defects. For the price, this JP Winlook set delivers durability, playability, and convenience, making it a smart choice for group play and everyday table tennis fun. Number 1. The Pro Spin IDTF Approved Carbon Fiber Ping Pong Paddle Set 2-pack is a serious upgrade for players who want more spin, control, and consistency without jumping straight into ultra-expensive pro gear. Designed with a 7-ply blade, 5 layers of quality, wood plus 2 carbon fiber layers, these paddles strike an impressive balance between power and touch. The standout feature is the IDTF-approved rubber paired with a 2.0mm sponge, which delivers excellent grip on the ball for heavy spin while still offering the control needed for blocks and defensive shots. The carbon layers help expand the sweet spot, meaning off-center hits still feel stable and controlled. Vibration is noticeably reduced, thanks to the carbon construction and the ergonomic concave shake hand grip, giving a clean, solid feel on contact. These paddles are well suited for all skill levels. Beginners benefit from the forgiving control, while intermediate and advanced recreational players will appreciate the added spin potential and shot precision. They perform especially well in fast rallies and topspin exchanges. A nice bonus is the included protective case, making storage and travel easy. Real users praised the paddle's spin and control at this price point, with many saying it quickly became their go-to racket for office or casual competitive play. Overall, this Pro Spin Carbon set offers tournament-level features, comfort, and durability in a value-packed bundle. If you found this ping pong paddle set review helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth sports gear reviews in 2026. Got a favorite paddle set or a question about your playing style? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're using on the table. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review. Game on!